Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love finding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is there. The trains have a mind of their own. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake. It's so sweet, Ted. That's not a snake. Is it dead? I know. Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. The sensational, the spectacular epic Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar. We'll be a stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Hi friends, please remain seated until the train is stopped all the way, and I give you the all clear. Again, friends, please remain seated until I give you the all clear.
Stay seated, please.
you are all clear to step off the train, please water your